Ladies and gentlemen, some of you might have heard about the tropical disturbance that they are calling Dorian. And it is a storm that is expected to reach the U.S. by the end of the week. So they are tracking its path. And I can tell you a lot of times these hurricanes that come later in the season tend to be really powerful. I actually had to live through Hurricane Sandy, and that was a mild season. And then all of a sudden, here comes Hurricane Sandy, and that one made a huge impact in this area. I remember them still chainsawing down trees all through the spring and summer of the following year. It was that many that had to be cleaned up. It was like a massive cleanup that went on for several months after the storm. Tropical storm Dorian expected to reach hurricane strength by Tuesday, and this is August 25th, 2019. The U.S. National Hurricane Center and Tropical Storm Dorian has formed in the Atlantic and could reach hurricane strength by Tuesday. As of 11 a.m. Eastern Time, the storm's center was approximately 465 miles east-southeast of Barbados and moving west at 14 miles per hour, the Hurricane Center said, with the maximum sustained winds of 40 miles per hour. The tropical storm is forecast to move generally west, north, westward at a similar forward speed for the next several days, the Hurricane Center said. On the forecast track, Dorian is expected to be near the center of Lesser Antilles on Tuesday. As Dorian moved west towards the Caribbean on Sunday morning, the inclement weather system embedded Barbados under a tropical storm warning and other Caribbean islands under tropical storm watches. The first key message conveyed by Hurricane Center in the 11 a.m. advisory was the issuance of a tropical storm warning for Barbados and a tropical storm watch for St. Vincent. Yeah, you know what? Um, I'm just trying to see if Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, because you know what kind of hit they took. The second key message was that it's too early to forecast the specific timing and magnitudes of the impact in Puerto Rico, the Virgin Island, and Hispaniola. Authorities and interested parties in those regions should monitor the progress of the storm. That's what I was wondering because, look, those islands never fully recover from the storms of 2017. So now, if anything else goes through there, any progress they made will be destroyed. Wow. That's a shame. A tropical storm warning means the tropical storm conditions are expected in the warning area within 36 hours. The tropical storm watch means the tropical storm conditions are possible in the watch area within around 48 hours, the Hurricane Center notes. The Hurricane Center said the maximum sustained winds are near 40 miles per hour with higher gusts. With some strengthening during the next 48 hours, Dorian could be near hurricane strength. By Tuesday, Dorian could be around hurricane strength over the eastern Caribbean Sea, the center noted. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 25 miles an hour from the center of the cyclone. Dorian is expected to produce total rain accumulations of 2 to 4 inches in portions of the Lesser Antilles, with possible isolated maximum amounts of 6 inches, the Hurricane Center said. Swells generated by Dorian will affect portions of the Lesser Antilles by late Monday, the center added. These swells could cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions. The Hurricane Center has published coastal watches warnings and a forecast cone storm center graphic, which shows the probable path of the storm. So, wow. Yeah, they're showing it. Just the path that it's on, you can tell it is going to reach the U.S. You know, some people are saying Florida will take a direct hit from this one, but we shall see. We shall see, y'all. You know, as long as the water is warm, it's going to fuel this thing. So I definitely see it becoming a hurricane. You know, I think if it was cooler water temperatures, you might not have something quite as strong. So I don't know. I just hope this is not going to be a bad one, but we will see. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.